to know people. Also, with what I'm saying about online dating, are true. It's so true. So much hate out there. At one point, me used to did, when me used to in the red pill mindset, the red pill space, red pill content, now show me red pill content. Me used to hate women and fuck. Nowadays, man, I really hate women again. I really hate people again. Nowadays, it's what I say? It's more indifference to me nowadays. I'm not really that interested in hating or hating people anymore. It's all because you see, love and hate are the same thing. When you love or hate something, you care about them. So if you go to your way, try to fixate on your hatred of men or your hatred of women, that shows that you care a bit too much. It's never that serious, my lord. It's never that serious.
Issues that matter. We can't make significant progress in society if we have this mindset that's so focused on pushing